Seniors eat sweet potatoes this way to fight 12 common health issues. Are you a senior looking for a simple, affordable, and natural way to help your body feel its best? What if I told you that one of the most delicious and humble vegetables in the grocery store could support you against not 1, not 5, but up to 12 common health issues? The secret isn't just that you eat them, but how you cook them. The wrong cooking method can actually diminish their incredible benefits, but the right one can turn this everyday vegetable into a nutritional powerhouse. Most of us think we know the sweet potato, but we're missing a huge piece of the puzzle. We'll show you how this simple root vegetable can become your best friend in supporting everything from blood pressure and joint pain to brain fog and digestion. So stick around to discover these simple, science-backed, and delicious methods. In this video, we're going to show you the specific ways to prepare sweet potatoes to unlock their full potential. The deeper purple sweet potatoes are filled with something called anthocyanins, a powerful antioxidant that helps calm inflammation. They're also a fantastic source of both soluble and insoluble fiber, which is absolutely critical for good health. Sweet potatoes are a gentle and effective food to help with this. The skin is where a lot of the dietary fiber is hiding. This keeps the skin on and makes the whole potato soft and easy to eat. Fried foods can be harsh, so a simple baked sweet potato is a much better choice. Sweet potatoes are sweet, but they can be a fantastic food for blood sugar management. And this is a big if, you cook them the right way. Your cooking method can actually change their glycemic index, which is how quickly they affect your blood sugar. But don't worry if you can't eat the skin. The flesh is still packed with plenty of fiber, so you're getting benefits either way. They're rich in both soluble fiber, which helps soften things up, and insoluble fiber, which adds bulk and promotes regularity. Instead, try flavoring them with heart-healthy herbs like rosemary, thyme, or just a sprinkle of cinnamon. Throw in a healthy dose of vitamin C and potassium, and you've got a true superfood that's as affordable as it is good for you. When you prepare them the right way, all these nutrients work together to protect your body from the inside out. Our body converts it into vitamin A, which is crucial for keeping our skin and mucosal linings healthy. These are the barriers that keep germs out. A little drizzle of olive oil over a baked or steamed sweet potato is the perfect way to make sure your body gets all that immune-supporting goodness. Vitamin A also helps our body produce the immune cells that fight off infections. That same beta-carotene that helps your immune system is also vital for your eyes. When converted to vitamin A, it helps form the light-detecting receptors in your eyes and can help protect against conditions like macular degeneration. The purple sweet potatoes also contain anthocyanins, which can help protect eye cells from damage. Steaming or boiling is the best cooking method, because high-heat frying can create inflammatory compounds that would defeat the purpose. The antioxidants in sweet potatoes, especially the anthocyanins in the purple ones, have been shown to protect the brain by reducing inflammation and free radical damage. Sweet potatoes also support cognitive function and memory. A diet rich in these kinds of antioxidants is linked with a lower risk of mental decline. Before we get to the 12 key benefits, let's talk about why this root vegetable is so special. The carotenoids that give orange sweet potatoes their color and the anthocyanins in purple sweet potatoes have shown anti-cancer properties in some studies. These compounds help protect our cells from the kind of damage that can lead to cancer. And herbs, or add roasted cubes to a salad with walnuts, another great brain food. Sweet potatoes are more than just comfort food. They are a treasure chest of nutrients, especially for seniors. Boiling helps the starches in the sweet potato release their sugar more slowly into the bloodstream. Their high fiber content helps you feel full and satisfied, which can help you eat less overall. For an even greater effect, boil them with the skin on for that extra fiber, which further helps slow sugar absorption. But if they're fried or loaded with sugar and butter, you lose those benefits. High blood pressure is a silent risk for millions of seniors. Season them with fresh herbs, spices, or a squeeze of lime juice instead. The hero nutrient here is potassium. Sweet potatoes are an excellent source of it. Potassium helps your body get rid of excess sodium and relaxes the walls of your blood vessels, which directly contributes to lower blood pressure readings. Try using them in soups, or as a simple baked side to feel full without overdoing it. Gentle cooking methods like steaming and baking are best to preserve these helpful compounds. First, they are loaded with potassium, a mineral that is essential for helping to manage blood pressure. The antioxidants in sweet potatoes are your skin's best friend. For glowing skin, enjoy some roasted sweet potato wedges, or even add cool, mashed sweet potato to a smoothie. Put them in a blender with some low-sodium vegetable broth and a pinch of ginger and cinnamon. It's a perfect example of how small choices in the kitchen can support your health in a big way. By choosing the right preparation methods, like boiling to help with blood sugar, keeping the skin for fiber, I'd be so grateful if you'd give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more tips designed for seniors. And please, consider sharing this video with a friend or family member. You never know whose life you might improve with this simple knowledge. Thanks for watching, and here's to your vibrant health. And adding a little healthy fat, you can turn this simple vegetable into a daily tool that contributes to your well-being. The key isn't just to eat it once in a while, but to make it a delicious and regular part of a healthy lifestyle. Blend until it's smooth for a warming anti-inflammatory soup. They fight oxidative stress from sun damage and pollution, which is a major cause of wrinkles. Toss them with a tablespoon of olive oil and a sprinkle of rosemary. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit until they're tender and a little crispy. They make a perfect, healthy side dish. Beta-carotene can even offer a little bit of protection from UV damage from the inside. Let it cool a bit, then mash it with a fork. Add a teaspoon of olive oil, a pinch of black pepper, and some fresh chives. It's simple, easy to chew, and full of benefits. Sweet potatoes provide the high-quality complex carbohydrates you need to fuel your muscles, as well as potassium, which is critical for proper muscle function. Including sweet potatoes in your diet, especially after some light exercise, can help support your muscle strength and energy levels. Sweet potatoes, especially the purple varieties, are packed with powerful anti-inflammatory compounds called anthocyanins. These antioxidants work to calm the inflammatory response in the body. Potassium helps your body balance its sodium levels and can ease tension in your blood vessel walls. They're packed with powerful compounds our bodies need as we age. That beautiful orange color, that's a sign it's loaded with beta-carotene, which our bodies turn into vitamin A now. Let us break down exactly how you can use this amazing vegetable to support your health against 12 common challenges. Number 1. Improving digestion and relieving constipation as we get older. Our digestive system can sometimes slow down, leading to uncomfortable constipation. But here's a great tip. For a big digestive boost, eat the skin. The best way to cook them for digestion is to bake or steam them whole. Number 2. Helping to manage blood sugar levels for many seniors. Keeping an eye on blood sugar is a daily task. Baking and roasting can increase their glycemic index. The scientifically backed best way to prepare sweet potatoes to help with blood sugar is by boiling them. Number 3. Supporting a healthy heart. Heart health is so important for all of us. Sweet potatoes offer a couple of great benefits here. Second, the fiber and antioxidants in sweet potatoes contribute to lowering LDL, or bad cholesterol, which is a major factor in heart health. For the best heart benefits, boil or bake your sweet potatoes and try to avoid adding lots of salt or butter. Number 4. Boosting your immune system. A strong immune system is our best defense. Sweet potatoes are an incredible immune supporter, mainly because of all that beta. To help your body absorb this vitamin, it's best to pair your sweet potato with a small amount of healthy fat. Number 5. Protecting your precious eyesight. Age-related vision decline is a common worry, but sweet potatoes can offer powerful support. The best way to prepare them for eye health is to steam or bake them, which helps preserve these important nutrients. Number 6. Soothing joint pain and inflammation. Chronic inflammation is at the heart of many age-related aches and pains, including arthritis and joint stiffness. To get these anti-inflammatory benefits, look for purple sweet potatoes when you can. Number 7. Enhancing brain function and memory. Keeping our minds sharp is a top priority for everyone as we age. To make them a brain-boosting meal, try mashing a boiled sweet potato with a little olive oil. Number 8. Contributing to a lower cancer risk. While no single food can prevent cancer, a diet full of antioxidant-rich foods can absolutely help lower your risk. To get the broadest range of protection, try to eat different colors of sweet potatoes. Number 9. Aiding in weight management. Maintaining a healthy weight can get tougher as we age. Sweet potatoes can be a great tool here. It all comes down to preparation. Boiled or baked sweet potatoes are a low-calorie. Number 10. Maintaining muscle strength. Sarcopenia, or age-related muscle loss, is a real concern for seniors. Number 11. Helping to control high blood pressure. This is so important it deserves its own spot. To make your sweet potatoes a tool for blood pressure management, you have to avoid adding salt. Number 12. Promoting healthy, youthful skin. Our skin shows the signs of aging, but the right foods can help. Sweet potatoes also contain vitamin C, which is essential for producing collagen, the protein that keeps our skin firm and elastic. Now that you know the why, here are a few easy ways to prepare them. Simple mashed sweet potatoes. Boil 1 sweet potato until it's tender. Soothing sweet potato soup. Steam 2 medium sweet potatoes until they're soft. Baked sweet potato wedges. Cut a sweet potato into wedges, leaving the skin on. So, as you can see, the humble sweet potato is so much more than just a tasty side dish. If you found this information helpful and believe in the power of natural health,